How to use the app with public transit options and ride-sharing capabilities. Search your phone's app store as directed by your college or organization. Otherwise, search for Transloc. Once you've installed the app, opt in for notifications and share your location so we can find transit services close to you. Select the agency or service provider you ride. Go to Agency Preferences at any time to change your agency and notification selections. Now it's time to book a ride. Tap the bus-shaped icon labeled On Demand to see services in your area. The app's live interactive map will show service areas where you can request a ride. Select your pickup and drop-off locations at the top of the screen. If needed, adjust the pickup time and the passenger count. Your agency may also offer wheelchair or bicycle accommodations. Once you're done, tap Request Ride at the bottom of the screen. Login may be required depending on your selected agency. After you confirm your choices and location, your ride is booked. Head down to the Me tab at the bottom to view the details or cancel your ride. Now you're ready to hit the road. Happy travels!